हेलो हाय आदाब और सत श्री अकाल। एक बार फिर से आ गया हूँ आप लोगों के बीच, आपका हमराज आरजे अबनम 90.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज कम्युनिटी रेडियो ज्ञानवाणी यानी कि ज्ञान की वाणी पर। जैसा कि आपको पता है, आप लोगों के पास हम हमेशा आपके लिए खासम खास शो लेकर आते हैं जिसका नाम है नो योर फैकल्टी। इसमें हम हर एक स्कूल से, एक डिपार्टमेंट से एक फैकल्टी को लेकर आते हैं, उन्हें इनवाइट करते हैं और उनसे जानते हैं उनकी लाइफ के बारे में, उन भी चीज़ों के बारे में जिनके बारे में अभी तक आप नहीं जानते थे। आज एक और ऐसी ही शख्सियत है हम लोगों के बीच जो कि हैं स्कूल ऑफ फार्मेसी से, जिनका नाम है तनिष्का ठाकरे। उनके बारे में कुछ बातें आपको बताता हूँ और उसके बाद शुरू करेंगे उनसे सवाल जवाब का सिलसिला। Tanishka is an accomplished professional currently serving as an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at DYPUSOP यानी कि School of Pharmacy. With a Master of Pharmacy degree, she is having accumulated 6 years of extensive experience, comprising 3 years dedicated to research in a high caliber laboratory setting and an additional 3 years in the academic sphere. Her research background has honed her skills in innovative pharmaceutical research and development, while her academic tenure has equipped her with a profound ability to educate and mentor future pharmacists. The dual experience in research and teaching uniquely positions her to contribute significantly to the field of pharmaceutical sciences, fostering both academic excellence and pioneering research at D.Y. Patil School of Pharmacy. Tanishka, गुड आफ्टरनून, कैसे हैं आप? एंड वेरी वार्म वेलकम हियर इन नो योर फैकल्टी ज्ञानवाणी रेडियो।
Thank you so much, Ajay Abhinav. It's indeed pleasure to be a part of this show today.
Especially pleasure is all ours, मैम, है ना, all mine. So आगे बात बढ़ाते हुए सबसे पहले एक वही सवाल जिससे हम शुरुआत करते हैं, पूछता हूँ वहाँ से, टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी हियर एट D.Y. Patil University. When did you start working here and how have you evolved as a teacher and human being?
Okay, so I have started working here in D.Y. Patil School of Pharmacy since 24th of July 2024. So it's been 11 months only.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So when I started working here, and previously I have 2 years of experience in teaching. So looking at this job profile as a teacher, I have developed deep understanding for the diverse student needs. Also, I have started believing on the lifelong learning also.
Oh.
So that one thing as a teacher I have understand, and as a human being, one important thing that I have learned is the patience and resilience. So managing the whole classroom have taught me to be patient and be calm in every situation. So that three things I have learned in this profession.
Especially when you're teaching the students and they are actually so much naughty and energetic at that time.
Yes, it's very difficult to manage them. But sometimes we also enjoy because we go to that. Yes, so we also enjoy that moment.
Okay. What made you choose the field of pharmacy? How did you prepare yourself for this since school and college days?
So it was not actually decided that I want to do pharmacy. It was just a coincidence. But when I was in the school, many my teachers used to tell me that you can do good in the architect field. Yes,
okay.
Because I have that artistic. We can say I like art a lot. So my teacher used to tell me that why don't you do the architecture or yes. But that time I was like no, I want to do in the I want to do some degree, proper degree like engineering, medical or pharmacy and that. So it was just a coincidence
that you came here.
Yes.
Okay. Dr. Vijay Patil sir is an inspiration for all of us. How has he motivated you?
Yes, I believe that and it's true that he is an inspiration for all of us because he is a very good leader. Since 11 months I have observed one common thing that he personally involved in all events that are happening in our campuses.
Yes.
So that helps to helps everyone to interact with him, and that is very inspiring because at his level he is still interacting with many people, with students, and because of his supportive approaching nature, and that helps to keep this campus very vibrant and very live campus, I can say. So he is very
the actually motivating person,
yes,
supportive person.
yes.
Yes, definitely. Okay. What makes our institution unique? I mean, of course, there's a faculty like you, but what about the factors such as infrastructure, cafeteria, lab and research facilities, the varied courses, and the general environment of learning and fun?
Yes, it's
Or you can also say that all of them.
yes, that's true. That we have very nice campus, and cafeterias are, everything here is very royal, I would say rather.
So yes.
Yes, but I would like to focus on the research part, that our all the schools, or we can say our institute, it has, it is focusing more on the research. So I have seen, as compared to the previous experiences where I was working, so the research facilities, whatever we are getting here, or students are getting, they are very remarkable. The well-equipped labs are there, and students are very, students can also, handle the equipments. They have been given the trainings on the instruments. So that one thing I have observed, that we have all the sophisticated instruments present in the laboratories.
Oh, yes,
So
yes.
that is the very good thing, and we are, I would like to thank the Dr. D.Y. Patil sir and the managing team and our principals to, to really, they have contributed a lot for this.
yes, oh, yes.
Yes. So
The
that's the
university.
good thing that I have observed here.
Okay. What is the greatest lesson you learned from your students?
So keep
Yeah,
trying and
right.
trying and trying and stay strong. That's the, and one thing I have observed. The students who are in these different schools, they are, their personalities are, they have very diverse personalities. So some are, good in the academics, some are good in the different, in
Extracurricular
curricular,
activities.
yes, curricular activities, the stage daring, their
Some are
confidence.
extrovert, some are
Yes,
introvert.
yes, yes. So that's very good that we have the mixed crowd, and that is actually important. Your knowledge, your degree is important, but at the same time your confidence, your leadership skills, and those are also important for you in the future. So that main thing I have observed, and it's very remarkable, really.
Okay. If you had not been a professor, you would be.
I have already said that I would be an artist or an
Architect.
architect. Yes.
Okay. How do you juggle your hobbies with your career?
Yeah, drawing and painting. These are my hobbies. But
Hobbies.
nowadays it is very difficult to find it time because of some
Oh, yes.
other responsibilities. But yeah, I do one thing. I like to decorate my son who is in the nursery. So every time he has task at the school that many
Fancy
times
dress
they fancy
competition,
dress
something like that.
competitions and color days. So I decorate him and I do such
जितने
things.
एक्सपेरिमेंट है वहाँ किए जा रहे हैं.
Yes, yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, so now moving forward for our famous rapid fire round. I think you're ready for that.
Yes.
Okay. The best advice you got in your career.
Best advice that you do architect
Okay.
or be an artist.
Okay. No, but actually you refuse.
But
actually
yes,
you,
yes, and
you
I
listen to
regret.
your
I
heart.
regret sometimes that I would have at least thought on it that
कि चलो एक
yes,
chance देते
chance
हैं
को दे
उसे,
देते. But
Okay. The happiest moment of your life.
when I became mother, that was the happiest moment.
Nice. The saddest moment of your life.
When I lost my uncle, so that was a very sudden death. So that was the saddest moment.
No, sorry for that. Challenging moment of your life.
The COVID period, it was very challenging for me because that time I was pregnant, and I
yes,
left my
everyone.
job, and I was very clueless what to do next. कितना time ये COVID चलेगा and what to do next. Then I thought of I'll try in the academics, and that was a big change, and it was a good decision
Yes,
that
the
I have
game
taken.
changer in your
Yes,
life.
yes, and that was a good decision.
Okay. Your favorite actor?
Amir Khan.
Oh, wow. Okay. Favorite book?
The Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das, and I frequently watch his videos, the inspirational videos.
Oh,
So
yes.
it is very inspiring.
Okay. Your favorite movie?
Swadesh.
For this.
Yes.
Favorite food?
Yeah, I like seafood a lot.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Favorite holiday destination?
Favorite holiday destination, which I have not yet explored, but I like to explore the Northeast India because it's very
Oh, you should go there, actually. I've been
yes.
in the some Guwahati and Manipur. Yes.
Yes, I
Guwahati is
want
nice.
to explore it very desperately actually. Let's see.
Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you some insights of your life. Okay, an idea that changed your life.
To become a professor, that has changed because it has taught me that you can still you are always in the learning mode. So education, your education and your personal growth, it do not ends in the primary in the schooling, we can say. So you are always in the stage of learning, and you always improve yourself when you are in the teaching field. So self reflection is the best thing that I have observed in the teaching field, that you always improve your
Your skills and
yes,
especially
skills
yourself.
and your information, and that's
Okay. Yes. How has success changed you?
success. I would say that
Do you
I am
think,
happy.
I'm that much successful?
No, not yet. Maybe after completion of my maybe doctorate degree, that time I would say that I am successful.
मतलब half पहुंची हूँ सक्सेस
Yes,
के आसपास
yes.
अभी
I am
और
on
आगे
the way, and I hope that after 4-5 years, I will say that I am successful now.
Okay.
Yes.
That is a tricky one now. Best role of your life: mother, wife, daughter, or teacher.
Yes, I will say mother.
Okay. That is
Yes,
the best role of your
yes, best role.
life. Okay. What hurt you the most?
Actually, hurt means
I mean, the
I-
different
yes,
politics
yes.
or lying or hypocrisy.
lying sometimes, but अगर झूठ भी बोल दिया तो वो मुझे समझ में आता है कि ठीक है, उसके ऊपर अभी बात करने से कुछ मतलब नहीं है. सो आई जस्ट लेट इट गो, डोंट जस्ट बॉदर.
ये मुझे भी सीखना, ये मेरे साथ नहीं हो पाता है. अगर मतलब कोई झूठ बोल दिया, मुझे पकड़ में आ गया, पता चल तो जाता ही है, पता चल जाता है, तो मैं आर्ग्यू जरूर कर लेता हूँ.
हाँ, बट आर्ग्यू से कुछ नहीं होता है. मतलब यू एंड अप विथ नथिंग. आई थिंक सो कि आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करने के बाद मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो और ज्यादा वो चीजें
फ्रूटफुल
बिगड़ती
नहीं है, मतलब वो वैसे ही
हाँ.
रहेगा जो है.
यस.
Okay.
So I stay calm, and I don't argue.
Okay. Now this or that round. Okay, are you ready for that?
Yes.
Veg or non-veg?
Yes, non-veg.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Gym or yoga?
Yoga.
Early riser or night owl?
That depends on the person and the crowd
Okay.
and the situation also.
वो क्योंकि
Yes.
हर बार कोई ना कोई फैमिली वगैरह नया फंक्शन है,
Yes,
इवेंट हुआ तो
yes,
something like
yes,
that.
yes.
Okay. Emotional or practical?
Yes, that again depends on the situation. Sometimes I do get emotional. Sometimes I think practically also. That is important again.
Oh yes.
Every time we can't take a decision based on the emotions. So sometimes we have to be practical.
Yes. Yes.
So that depends on the situation. Again.
Books or Kindle?
None.
Oh, okay. So you
I
are
like
actually
to
the video
listen.
person and listen
Yes,
audiobooks. So you
yes,
love
audiobooks. Yes,
Okay. Mountains or beaches?
beaches.
Okay. Religious or
them.
spiritual?
Spiritual.
Library or classroom?
Classroom.
Now Amazon Prime or Netflix? Or maybe actually you can choose four of them. The one amongst the four: Amazon Prime or Netflix, Z5 or Disney Plus Hotstar.
Netflix. Sometimes, not frequently. Sometimes.
Okay. Peaky Blinders or Lucifer?
None.
ओके नाउ ये हम लोगों के पास काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे जवाब आए थे और उन्होंने हमें जवाब दिए थे. लेकिन इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव any message to the new students who wants to come into your field, what would you say to them?
The message I would like to give to the student is I have seen one thing here. Competition जो है वो that competition is only based on the marks. So one message I would like to give to the students, that don't look on the marks. Check what knowledge you have gained till now, how far you have come till now, because whatever courses you are doing here, 4-year or 3-year courses, that courses that is not defined by the numbers whatever you are getting, that is defined by whatever knowledge you are getting.
Oh yes.
Yes, and the confidence level and the leadership skills and other skills, soft skills are again very important. So try to focus on 50% on the numbers, and I would say 50% on all the soft skills. So that is important message I would like to give to all students. And one more message I would like to give them: try to balance your life. Like when it's an exam time, try to focus on your exams. And when it is, if you want to enjoy any event, so focus on those events. But वो क्या होता है कि enjoyment के चक्कर में they forget about their exams and so there should be balance between both these things. And don't compare yourself with others. You are unique, you have different abilities, try to explore them. And again, one more important, for me at least, because when I was in my degree course, I was I was topper, but that doesn't define that numbers are not defining me right now. So numbers important नहीं है, आपका knowledge, आप जहाँ पे भी जाते हो कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड ट्राई टू बी बेस्ट. सिर्फ डिग्री मिलने से या मार्क्स मिलने से या नॉलेज होने से कोई तो एक ऐसा फील्ड फाइंड आउट करो, या कोई ऐसी खुद की जो एबिलिटी है वो फाइंड आउट करो जहाँ पे आप बेस्ट दे सकते हो, एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड योर करियर इन दोज वी कैन से बेस्ड ऑन दोज एबिलिटीज. सो दैट मैसेज आई वुड लाइक टू गिव टू द स्टूडेंट्स.
ओके, तो यहाँ पर थी तनिष्का आज हम लोगों के साथ स्कूल ऑफ फार्मेसी से. नो योर फैकल्टी में बने रहिएगा हम लोगों के साथ 90.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज़ कम्युनिटी रेडियो नैनवाणी पर. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच.